Hi, it's Jessica Brace here from She Broadcast Video Marketing Support Group here on Facebook. And I am answering video did you know questions today. I have a question today from one of our She Broadcast members, Nancy. And Nancy asks, when I go live on my business page, should I also go live on my personal page? So here's the thing about that. I always recommend that you go live on your business page, and because you can do more things. You can boost the post, you can change the thumbnail, you can add keywords, you can change the description. All of the videos that are done on your business page actually goes into this neat little video content library, so you actually have an archive of all of your videos that looks almost like a YouTube channel, but it's within your Facebook on your business page. That's a really huge plus for doing videos, live videos, and uploading videos through your business page rather than your personal page. If you want to learn more about the differentiation between this and which one is the better one for you, then head on over to our She Broadcast Video Marketing Support Group, and it's free. You can join us. We have over 1,000 members in the group, and we're all working together to create better videos online, and we'd love to see you there. The links to the group is in the comments below. She Broadcast Video Marketing Support Group. I'll see you there.